Okay, I've just decided that I needed to enlarge this cutout here. So originally I cut it out to just below this tape line here, and then I noticed there was a rust hole right here. See this? Well, we talked about that before. There's a rust hole here. So I thought, well, I could see that, so I just thought, well, I'll just take it up high enough so I could work on this, and I'll just weld in there and clean that up, reinforce it as best I can with a bit of weld. And then I was pulling on this here, and it bent, and so this all blew out here. This is all rust, so I'm gonna have to cut this off. I might actually just cut it off right up to here and just redo this whole thing. I don't wanna cut this out. I want to leave this, at least leave this and this here, just to, you know, so it stays located where it's supposed to. So I might just rebuild this whole thing from here down. So I just realized this. So what they've done is they've put the skin on, folded it over, and then there's a spot weld right there. I thought I could just break this off, but there was a spot weld there. You can see where there was another spot weld right there, and they probably had more down here, but it's all rusted out. It looks like there might have been one right there. See where that ripped out? So when I do the patch panel, when I go to weld it in, I'll leave a bit of a gap here, and so when I weld it, it'll reattach this all to the inner structure. So it'll be kind of like it was factory, but obviously not exactly. And I'm not going to worry about it down here. I'll just crimp this all down. It'll be fine. Anyways, I can't get around the back of this. I don't have a small enough zip wheel, so this one here, it just broke off real nice on the back. So I'm just going to try that again, see if I can do this with one hand, holding my phone with the other. So I just want to grab this. Just grab this right here. Sorry, I looked past the screen. So grab that, and then do some, kind of bend it a bit, and maybe it'll break off. The last one broke off real nice. I think I need to get this out of here. Just gonna re-grab it a little closer. Sorry about the camera work. There we go. See, that broke off nice and straight on the back, so I'll be able to get around there with my welder and weld that up. What does AE/AF lock mean? Showing up on my screen. Just tap on that. That doesn't do anything.